Wow, hello, I'm Liam, a gardener, and it's been 2 years since I last published to my YouTube channel. A lot's happened. What started as a few weeks break became a lot more than that. But I've missed making gardening videos for two reasons really. The first, that it's great to read the positive comments on the videos. Making the videos has been a labour of love. Each one takes many hours to make, and that's not including the gardening. Getting positive comments makes the effort worthwhile. The second thing I've missed is the discipline. The work of researching topics before creating videos makes me a better gardener. Also, if I know I need to shoot a video, it motivates me to keep my garden and allotment tidy. But having had an allotment since 2006, almost 20 years now, and making videos on and off since then, I began to lose some motivation. A big factor was time, more on that in a moment. But it was also the work of badgers, squirrels and parakeets, eating more than their fair share of what I was growing. I still grow things at the allotment, but fewer and fewer crops, focusing on ones that harvest reliably and take little time, like potatoes, garlic and tomatoes, and many more flowers, especially sweet peas, lupins, dahlias, calendula, zinnias and verbena. So I'm still using my allotment a lot, but less for food and more for colour and pollinators, and overall spending much less time there. But because I've always enjoyed gardening, I decided to enrol on gardening courses, and 2 years later I've completed my RHS horticultural qualifications and also switched my day job to become a full-time gardener. Quite big changes really. And now these changes are complete, I want to get back to making videos regularly. This time though, I want to evolve the channel to reflect what I'm really passionate about now, and that is finding beauty in gardens in its broadest sense. What's really great about working as a gardener is discussing ideas with my gardening clients, who are often experts in their garden, but for reasons of time or physical ability, need help to put their ideas into action. Also, I really like to see the history of planting in their gardens, what clients and their gardeners have put into their gardens many years ago. I've seen bay trees as big as houses, but still shaped, a rose tree, by which I mean a rose as big as a tree, and a beautiful tree peony, to name 3 examples. I intend also to continue to make allotment videos, but with a bias towards flowers, techniques that save time, ways of protecting against pests, and efficient ways of watering and growing. Also, I want to make videos on sustainability in gardening and ways of gardening that promote ecology and biodiversity, meaning good for soil, insects and animals, rather than damaging them. I also want to look at changes to gardening caused by a changing climate. To reflect this, I will be changing the name of the channel to simply Liam.Garden. So Liam.Garden will be replacing the old name of AllotmentBook. However, the AllotmentBook.co.uk website is continuing, and the old videos will all remain on this channel, organised in playlists, making them easy to find. So if all this sounds interesting to you, please join me on this channel by subscribing. And if you'd like to leave a comment, it would be great to hear from you. So let's start.